Giraffe puppet. Create your very own giraffe puppet. Download and print our template or draw your own on card. For this craft you will need giraffe puppet template, yellow and brown tissue paper or paper scraps, yellow and brown felt tips, scissors and glue. Cut out your giraffe template including the eyes, ears and ossicones. These are your giraffe horns. Fold along the fold lines on your giraffe template and glue the end tabs to make your giraffe puppet shape. To decorate, collage or colour in your whole giraffe using your yellow and brown felt tips. Collage using yellow and brown tissue paper, paper scraps and glue. Use yellow tissue for the giraffe's body and brown for your giraffe spots. Collage or colour in your giraffe's ears and ossicones using your yellow and brown felt tips. Fold down your giraffe's head and glue the tabs on your giraffe's ears and ossicones so they pop up. Finally, colour in and stick your two eyes on the top of your puppet. Your giraffe is now ready to chomp, chomp, chomp.